the ultimate guide on how to start an online business. Are you ready to become an entrepreneur and gain financial freedom by starting your own online business? If so, you are in the right place. This guide is about getting results. We're not selling immediate gratification or instant success, because we're talking about real life, real success, real challenges, real business. Entrepreneurship can be challenging, but it's also one of the single biggest steps you can take toward financial and career freedom, and building something new and exciting that you can be proud of. WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to start and scale your online business for free. In this guide you'll find this guide useful if you want to start an online business from scratch. You already have an online business, but sales just aren't where you need them to be. You have thought about starting an online business, but you aren't sure if it is right for you. You also may have no idea where to start. 1. Is starting an online business for you? Starting an online business has many benefits. People jump at the idea of making money, lots and lots of money. That's a very legitimate motivation. It also won't happen overnight. Often people starting businesses go years without even paying themselves salaries. And getting rich is no guarantee. In fact, if you strictly wanted to make a bunch of money, there's a good chance you'd be better off putting your nose to the grindstone at a desk job and starting a good savings plan. So gobs of cash aren't the only reasons to start your own business. Many people cite other justifications. Personal freedom is one. Owning your own business means controlling your own time. It means being your own boss. If you're frustrated with working for others, if you're tired of laboring to build someone else's dream, this can be a powerful draw. Financial freedom, too, inspires entrepreneurs. You might eventually become a millionaire. You might not. What you really want, presumably, is a better life, and entrepreneurship can give you a certain level of control over your finances that can make that possible. When you work for someone else, you're making money for them. An hour of your time generates X number of dollars, but your money-making efforts are ultimately flowing upstream to your boss. Going into business for yourself means you can reap all the rewards of your work. Can you live the life of your dreams? Absolutely, if your dreams are realistic. When you jump from your day job to your own job, to a company you create, you gain exciting new control over your life. You set your own schedule, control your own money, do your own thing. You also encounter new challenges. Sure, you don't have to work for your boss anymore. But you get a new boss, the market. Actually, you get a bunch of new bosses, clients, customers, growth and revenue goals, etc. Bills still stream in, month after month, and while you don't have to work for someone else, you replace a steady paycheck with a new imperative, profit or perish. And to meet and beat that challenge, you need to ask the right questions about your business, and be ready to find answers that work. Frequently asked questions about entrepreneurship. If you take only one thing away from what you're reading, take this: critical thinking is key. Let's be honest and admit that when it comes to resources on business, the internet's got a bunch of bullshit to offer. But there's also tons of gold out there. That's a big part of why we started Founder, to help our community cut through the BS and find the gold. So what do you do? Well, we're better off starting with a don't ever take anything you read or hear about entrepreneurship for granted. Instead, analyze ideas, try them out, keep what works, and discard what doesn't. Yeah, many potential paths on your business journey lead to a dead end. At the same time, there's more than one road to riches. How likely is my success? Depending on who you ask, something like 90% of startups fail. What does that mean for you? It means that launching a business can be difficult. Your first idea may flop. Your second startup may fizzle out. It's a crowded economy, and you're competing with mega corporations as well as other small businesses. You may have to try again and again. You also might succeed on your first try, and many people do if they set up their businesses correctly. Remember, those stats on startup failure cover a wide spectrum of startups, and there are certainly things you can do to improve your chances. Business is also more accessible today than ever before. If you have a laptop and an internet connection, you've got what you need to start an online money-making machine. Can I do this while working full-time? Yes. Many businesses begin as side hustles, Founder is one of them. It's difficult to balance a full-time job with a burgeoning business, but it's possible, and this is typically what first-time business owners do. Working full-time while you get your company off the ground can give you the financial security to start a business without taking major financial risks. In a later chapter, we teach you how to validate your business idea so you can start with a little more certainty and less risk. Will I need investors? No. Seeking outside capital is an option, sure, but most online businesses grow without investors. If you don't have the connections to attract investment, or just plain don't want other people mucking around in your business, you can bootstrap your startup. This is somewhat contentious in the startup world, with some people swearing by raising capital. But we actually recommend you bootstrap your first businesses. Creating your own company, to succeed with starting an online business, it helps to know why you're doing it, and what roadblocks lay along the way. Check out this list of pros and cons. Which of these benefits appeals to you? Which costs should you be most aware of, and what steps might you take to ward off, or at least mitigate harm from the challenges of entrepreneurship? Pros. Personal freedom, we spend 40 or more hours of every week at work. By owning your own business, you take control of that time in every respect: how you work, when you work, why you work. Instead of laboring to make money for someone else, you can do something you love, all while building your dream. Leave the 9-to-5 job you hate. You can ditch the rules and structures created by other people and set your own schedule. Greater financial freedom. Running your own business puts you in more direct control of your finances and how you earn and spend your money, meaning more control over your life. And if you make it big, owning your own online business can mean making a lot more money than you ever could in the corporate rat race. Still confused? Don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to set up a full beautiful website for free, and we also offer free domain name that helps you to grow your business in online. For more details, subscribe and share this video.